A lot of people are buying
Nope.
scan tools they don't actually need. If you're a DIYer or weekend mechanic, the IP819 already covers most jobs you'll ever do. Full diagnostics and essential service resets for daily maintenance. Step up to the IP900 if you want more control. Now you're getting advanced functions like coding for users who want to go deeper into vehicle systems. And then there's the IP919. Wireless operation, topology mapping, and more service functions. Built for heavy daily use and professional environments. All three are powerful tools, but the real difference is how far you need to go with diagnostics. So ask yourself, DIY, advanced user, or workshop? That answer tells you which one is right for you.